Okay. Okay guys, welcome again to Bright Brain Grass. Today we'll be solving a simple challenge which says x to the power of 2 plus root 2 equal 4 and x minus root 2 equal 2. The question says x is equals to what? So this is easily a simple challenge while solving this. So if you are new to this channel, you can click on the subscription button and hit up the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop awesome videos on maths, because in this channel I solve problems on mathematics. So let's see how we can solve this simple challenge. It's quite simple. So the first step I'm going to do, I can say solution. I can say solution at this point. Solution. Okay, when you see this equation, it's somehow easy because solving it is somehow complex, but at the same time easy. So we are going to call this one equation 1. Then we'll call this one what? Equation 2. And the next thing we can do again, we are going to sum up equation 1 and equation 2 together. So we are going to summing of equation 1 and 2. In other words, we are going to add equation 1 and 2 together. So doing that, we can say x to the power of 2 plus root 2 equal 4, x minus root 2 equals what? Equals 2. So we're going to put plus here. So we're going to simply draw it down. X to the power of 2 plus x is going to give us x to the power of 2 plus x. Then if you are saying root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 is going to give us what? Plus 0. Equal to 2 plus 4 is going to give us 6. So we're having 6 here. So our new equation is this. So we are going to work with this. Okay, since we are working with this now, we can now say x to the power of 2 plus x plus x equal 6. We can rewrite the whole of this to be x to the power of 2 plus x minus 6 equal 0. Okay, we are now having a quadratic equation. So how are we going to solve this? We can solve this using the factorization method. We can solve this using the completing square. We can solve this using the formula method. But in case of this video, we are going to solve this using the formula method, which says x equal minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the formula method. So we are saying x, equal minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And as you can see from this equation, this is your a, and your a here is having your x to the power of 2 is having a coefficient of 1. So in the place of a, we are putting 1. So, and your x is having a coefficient of 1 also, and this is b, and this is c. So your b is having a coefficient of 1 also. We are going to put 1 in this place, and we are going to put 1 in this place. So your c is having a value of minus. Your c is having a value of minus 6. So in the place of c, we are going to put our minuses. So plugging each of this value into this formula, we are going to have x equal, what is your b? Your b is what? 1. So we are going to put minus 1 here, plus or minus root. Remember your b is 1 to the power of 2 minus 4, multiply your a is 1, then your c is minus 6 all over 2 times 1. So this is exactly what I'm trying to say. So doing this, we are going to go up. Okay, since we've gotten x equals to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 6 all over 2 times 1. This dot represents multiplication sign. So we are simply going to have x equal minus 1 plus or minus root of this, and this is going to 4 multiply with this is going to give us 4. 4 multiplied with minus is going to give us minus 24. And minus 24 minus this is going to give us 1 plus 24 all over 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. So we are left with x is equals to minus 1 plus or minus root of what? 25 all over 2. Okay, this is exactly what we are now having. And you know the square root of 25 is going to give us what? 5. So we are now having x equals to minus 1 plus or minus or square root of 25. We are left with what? 5 all over what? All over 2. In other words, we can simply write this one to be minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 5 all over 2, or minus 1 minus 5 all over 2. So if we are doing this, minus 1 plus 5 is going to give us 4. So we are having 4 all over 2, or minus 1 minus 5 is going to give us minus 6 all over 2. So we are having 2, and let me just use the word end. And what? And what? We are not having what? Minus 6. So this can cancel out this. We are having 2 and minus 3. So the value for x is 2 and minus. So your x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 3. So this is x1, x2. If you like this video, you can click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and hit up the notification bell. And if you also like this video during the time you are watching it, you can hit up the thumbnail. God loves you, and the people of Bright Grace Grass loves you. We all love you, and we all love to see you in our next video. God bless you, and Jesus loves you. Thank you. Thank you.